How to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the plus icon at the top left. And then, add the video or picture you want to add in your status. Then press on your story at the bottom left. After it's added to your story, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on WhatsApp at the bottom. It will load WhatsApp for you. It will directly lead you to this page here. Click on the arrow at the bottom right and then add your status directly. This is how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.